How do I add a class to a given element? I have an element that already has a class, as follows. Now I want to create a JavaScript function that will add a class to the div, not replace, but add. How can I do that? If you're only targeting modern browsers, use element class list add to add a class, and element class list remove to remove a class. If you need to support Internet Explorer 9 or lower, add a space plus the name of your new class to the class name property of the element. First, put an ID on the element so you can easily get a reference. Then do the following. Note the space before other class. It's important to include the space, otherwise it compromises existing classes that come before it in the class list. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.